If you put this in your hair, you don't even really need to wear perfume, and I'm being honest with you, because this alone has a scent that is so refreshing, and it just make you feel like you that queen, you know, like it give that queen energy. So like when you walk into a room and you have this oil on, you're gonna naturally turn heads. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, make sure you give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded people. Heavy on, make sure that you subscribe and turn on post notifications, because this whole TikTok ban situation is really throwing your girl for a loop, because I love TikTok just as much as I love YouTube. So it's doing something to me in the sense of, what about the community of people that I've built on there? Like, I don't want that to go away. You feel me? So make sure y'all are joining this community here on YouTube so that we can stay connected. All right, but today's a great day, and y'all probably are wondering, why does that say? Because your girl re-upped on her favorite, okay, her favorite products when it comes to hydrating and moisturizing my hair. If you're new here, you might not be familiar with this, but I live by Locklicious products, okay? I have the Rose Water Hydration Mist, and I also have the Lock Growth Oil. These two together, a force to be reckoned with, all right? So both products are free of residue and harmful chemicals, and if you're anyone like me, then you look for those two things specifically when it comes to using your natural hair products. I really love the hydration mist because it does exactly what it says. It hydrates your hair. This is a perfect product to use in between washes, okay? It's not just rose water, but it also has aloe vera leaf juice, jojoba oil, organic castor oil, organic hemp seed oil, vegetable glycerin, vitamin E oil, organic virgin olive oil, argan oil, horsetail extract, y'all. And it contains all natural fragrance oil blend. And how I like to use it is, they have this little lever here at the top. All you have to do is twist it and bring it down, and then it just sprays, okay? I love how it comes out in a mist, so it's not too much product that I'm spraying, and a little really goes a long way. And then next up, y'all should already know why I'm excited for this, because I've been talking about this for a few years. But this is the Locklicious Growth Oil. Not only does it do exactly what it says it's gonna do, you know, as far as helping your hair to grow, but it smells so good. If you put this in your hair, you don't even really need to wear perfume, and I'm being honest with you, because this alone has a scent that is so refreshing, and it just make you feel like you that queen, you know, like it give that queen energy. So like when you walk into a room and you have this oil on, you're going to naturally turn heads. A little goes a long way with this oil. You don't have to put too much around, because you'll be able to massage it throughout your scalp. But I like to focus on the areas that I definitely feel like my hair is more thin at. And for me, that's like towards the front. So I like to put as much as possible towards the front. And then in the back, I just sparingly apply it throughout my scalp. By using a Locklicious growth oil, you're not just stimulating the hair growth, right? You're also supporting the overall health and vitality of your hair, which leaves your locks looking the best. with that being said, I know y'all probably like, well, Tay, dang girl, you just gave us a full rundown of these products. Why is that? That's because your girl has an exciting announcement. If you want this hair collection, which is the Locklicious Rosewater Hydration Mist and the Growth Oil, you can use my personal discount code OCT15, that's OCT15, to receive 15% off your purchase. So thank you so much to Locklicious for sponsoring this video. Now let's hop into it. But today this video is going to be quite simple. It's going to be a cute, quick, and easy lock style that we're doing. And the only reason that I'm doing this lock style is because I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and the look that I'm going for is going to be so fire. I can't wait till y'all see how the pics come out, because I already know that the photographer is going to kill it. Okay, so shout out to you, Calvin Candids. So this is my vision. I want to do some lock knot bangs. Then I'm going to just do some pigtails. So the main thing about the bangs is that I want to make sure that I have enough hair out in the front in order to accomplish this look. And I've only done lock knot bangs one time, and I absolutely loved it, y'all. This is pretty much how I am going to part the front. I'm not going to put too much out there, and I know that the part is not going to be super neat because the parts for my locks are not super neat. So I just got to work with what I have. So then I'm just going to pull the back of my hair into a little ponytail. I don't know how many twists I'm going to do in the front yet for the bang, but we shall see together. Alright, so we're just trying to twist it down as much as possible. I'm not looking for it to look perfect. I just want it to look cute and full enough, if that makes sense. And I think I want my bang to stop okay, that's in the way. I think I want my bang to stop right here, or should I go up a little bit more? I feel like if it go just a little bit above my brows, back it up, probably right here. All right, cool. So now I'm just gonna wrap the hair up like this. Let's try something different this time. So as y'all can see, I wrapped up one lock. I wrapped it up to make the lock on the twist. And I'm thinking this time what I want to do is secure this piece down first. The locks will go through. Secure it down first with a rubber band before I wrap the other locks up. So I just wrap the rubber band around 3 times. So this is what we have. Can y'all see? This is what we have, okay? And then I'm gonna wrap the other locks up as well. Like that. Does that look right? Is this too big, y'all? Is this too thick? We're gonna test it out. Doesn't hurt to try, right? It's so funny because when I start saying stuff like that, that's when I'm really unsure. Like, oh Lord, I don't know how this thing gonna turn out. Alright. That's the first one. So we have 3 locks here. Twisting them down. And why is this flipped up like that? No. And see, this one looks much more thin than this one. Oh, I don't know, y'all. We might have to redo that one. And I also have to remember too, y'all, that my locks are different sizes. So some of them might appear bigger than the others. This is what we got so far. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. You just gotta trust the process with your girl. Just trust it. Just trust it. Okay? Okay.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. Maybe it don't look that bad because the other one's by it is kind of big too. So this is how this is looking. Let me finish the front and then we'll move on to the pigtails.
We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light?
I honestly must admit, y'all, one of the best things I've ever invested into when it comes to like my hair products are brown rubber bands. These, okay? These rubber bands are perfect for me, especially since, why is this sticking out like that? Oh no. Oh, baby, we can nope. We gotta redo this one because this is definitely not supposed to be looking like that.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
Yeah, 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 no limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby.
I think it's gonna work for the shoot and the look that I'm going for. I honestly could leave my hair down. You know, like it doesn't have to be up. I like this look too, so it's definitely versatile. I like lock knot bangs because it just adds a little flair to your, you know, your locks. It doesn't look so plain. and I always wear twist outs, so I'm glad that I'm switching it up this time. But anyways, for the sake of the photo shoot tomorrow, I will be doing the pigtails. So let me split it down the middle. And I'm using these little scrunchies. These are like the best scrunchies I've ever used. Got these from the beauty supply store. Can't tell you the brand, just knew that they was $1. $1 a pack. So yeah. Okay, we'll make sure they're even. Whew. All right. Oh, this is cute. What y'all think? What do y'all think about this? Oh my gosh, what a difference, right? I love how it came out. And y'all see how quick this was? This is so cute. So, lock knot bang with pigtails. I used my Locklicious products to moisturize my locks before styling. Don't forget, if you want to get this hair collection, then use my discount code OCT15 to receive 15% off on your purchase. I will make sure that I link the website down below so that you can check it out. And also comment down below what you think of this lock style. Would you try it? How did I do? Rate it 1 to 10. What would you do differently? Let your girl know. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. I always appreciate y'all support. I really do love you all so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.